laying down our Idaho Square Dance blocks after workshop number 4 in this series with Mary's Quilt Shop. Figuring out which way the log cabin blocks turn is the challenge. The secret is if you look 2 blocks behind the one that you're laying down. Nope, not that one. You got, oh yeah, you're right. Sorry, my bad. It's do this, yep. Watch the previous blocks, and when all else fails, have a margarita. Right? Yeah, so the alternate blocks all touch corners, and they can go either which way, but the log cabin blocks are a little tricky. I see something down at the bottom. Yeah, fix that one. Thank you, Carrie. We've had a great day today. So many blocks were made in so many different colorways. I've had a blast in Bedford. Thanks, everybody.